Hello dear students. In this video we'll solve some more questions on factorization. If 4m square plus n square is equal to 40 and mn is equal to 6, then value of 2m plus n is what? So we will try to use the identities and try to solve this question. When I say identities, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So let us use this identity. Suppose if we use 2m plus n whole square, what happens? Instead of a, we can take it as 2m. 2m whole square plus 2 into a means 2m, b means n, plus b square. b means n, n whole square. So 2m square means 4m square plus 2 2s are 4, 4mn, right, plus n square. Okay, now what we will do is we will bring n square this side. Okay, so this will be 4m square.